Welcome to ANZ Kids.
Hello friends, welcome to 100 Foods on My Plate. Today we will learn about 100 different foods. Each food is special and I will tell you one simple fact about it. Are you ready? Let's start.
Our first food group is fruits. Apple,
This is an apple. It is red and crunchy.
banana,
This is a banana. It is yellow and sweet.
orange,
This is an orange. It is round and juicy.
mango,
This is a mango. It is tropical and juicy.
grapes,
These are grapes. They come in bunches and tasty.
pineapple,
This is a pineapple. It is spiky and sweet.
strawberry,
This is strawberry. It is small and red.
watermelon,
This is a watermelon. It is big and refreshing.
blueberry,
These are blueberries. They are tiny and blue.
papaya,
This is a papaya. It is soft and orange.
pear,
This is a pear. It is sweet and green.
kiwi,
This is a kiwi. It is fuzzy and green inside.
cherry,
These are cherries. They are small and red.
pomegranate,
This is a pomegranate. It is full of many seeds.
lemon.
This is a lemon. It is yellow and sour.
Our second food group is vegetables. Carrot,
This is a carrot. It is orange and crunchy.
potato,
This is a potato. It is round and brown.
broccoli,
This is a broccoli. It is green and healthy.
spinach,
This is a spinach. It is leafy and green.
cabbage,
This is a cabbage. It is crunchy and green.
cauliflower,
This is a cauliflower. It is white and soft.
cucumber,
This is a cucumber. It is cool and crisp.
lettuce,
This is lettuce. It is light and green.
onion,
This is an onion. It is round and has many layers.
garlic,
This is garlic. It is small and has a strong taste.
beetroot,
This is beetroot. It is red and earthy.
pumpkin,
This is a pumpkin. It is orange and round.
bell pepper,
This is a bell pepper. It is colorful and crunchy.
zucchini,
This is a zucchini. It is green and smooth.
eggplant.
This is an eggplant. It is purple and long.
Our third food groups are grains and cereals. Rice,
This is rice. It is small and white.
wheat,
This is wheat. It is golden and used for bread.
oats,
These are oats. They are soft and warm.
corn,
This is corn. It is yellow and sweet.
barley,
This is barley. It is nutty and chewy.
quinoa,
This is quinoa. It is tiny and full of protein.
millet,
This is millet. It is small and nutritious.
rye,
This is rye. It is dark and used for bread.
buckwheat,
This is buckwheat. It is healthy and tasty.
sorghum.
This is sorghum. It is used in many dishes.
Our fourth food group is dairy products. Milk,
This is milk. It is white and refreshing.
cheese,
This is cheese. It is creamy and delicious.
butter,
This is butter. It is soft and spreadable.
yogurt,
This is yogurt. It is smooth and tangy.
cream,
This is cream. It is rich and thick.
cottage cheese,
This is cottage cheese. It is light and curdy.
buttermilk,
This is buttermilk. It is tangy and cool.
ghee,
This is ghee. It is pure and golden.
ice cream,
This is ice cream. It is cold and sweet.
condensed milk.
This is condensed milk. It is sweet and creamy.
Our fifth food group is meats and seafoods. Chicken.
This is chicken. It is lean and tasty.
Beef.
This is beef. It is rich and flavorful.
Lamb.
This is lamb. It is tender and delicious.
Turkey.
This is turkey. It is festive and lean.
Mutton.
This is mutton. It is delicious.
Fish.
This is fish. It is light and healthy.
Shrimp.
These are shrimp. They are small and yummy.
Crab.
This is crab. It is sweet and juicy.
Lobster.
This is lobster. It is a special treat.
Tuna.
This is tuna. It is firm and flavorful.
Our sixth food group is legumes and nuts. Lentils.
These are lentils. They are small and full of protein.
Chickpeas.
These are chickpeas. They are round and healthy.
Black beans.
These are black beans. They are rich and nutritious.
Kidney beans.
These are kidney beans. They are red and tasty.
Green peas.
These are green peas. They are small and sweet.
Peanuts.
These are peanuts. They are crunchy and nutty.
Almonds.
These are almonds. They are crunchy and healthy.
Walnuts.
These are walnuts. They are great for your brain.
Cashews.
These are cashews. They are creamy and delicious.
Pistachio.
These are pistachio. They are fun and green.
Our seventh food group is snacks and desserts. Chocolate.
This is chocolate. It is sweet and rich. Yummy.
Cake.
This is cake. It is soft and yummy.
Cookies.
These are cookies. They are crunchy and sweet.
Donut.
This is a donut. It is round and tasty.
Pancakes.
These are pancakes. They are fluffy and warm.
Popcorn.
This is popcorn. It is light and crunchy.
Candy.
These are candies. They are sweet and colorful.
Muffins.
These are muffins. They are soft and delicious.
Pudding.
This is pudding. It is smooth and sweet.
Brownies.
These are brownies. They are fudgy and tasty.
Our eighth food group is beverages. Water.
This is water. It is clear and refreshing.
Coffee.
This is coffee. It is warm and energizing.
Tea.
This is tea. It is calming and soothing.
Juice.
This is juice. It is fruity and sweet.
Lemonade.
This is lemonade. It is tangy and fresh.
Smoothie.
This is smoothie. It is thick and fruity.
Soda.
This is soda. It is fizzy and fun.
Milkshake.
This is milkshake. It is creamy and cold.
Hot chocolate.
This is hot chocolate. It is warm and sweet.
Coconut water.
This is coconut water. It is light and tropical.
Now come the other food groups. Bread.
This is bread. It is soft and fresh.
Pasta.
This is pasta. It's soft and delicious.
Pizza.
This is pizza. It is cheesy and fun.
Noodles.
These are noodles. They are long and tasty.
Burger.
This is a burger. It is juicy and satisfying.
Fries.
These are fries. They are crunchy outside, soft inside.
Sandwich.
This is a sandwich. It is simple and delicious.
Soup.
This is soup. It is warm and comforting.
Salad.
This is salad. It is fresh and crunchy.
Croissant.
This is croissant. It is buttery and soft.
Wow, we learned about 100 different foods today. Which food is your favorite? Thank you for joining me on this tasty adventure. See you next time. Bye.